Introducing the 2-in-1 dual wireless charger. It's basically the ultimate charging solution for your multiple devices. With this innovative device, you can charge two devices at the same time, whether it's your phone or wireless earbuds. So get ready to experience fast, efficient and hassle-free charging with this 2-in-1 dual wireless charger. What's up guys, this is Mehran from Dynamic Tech. Today we are unboxing the MagClap 2-in-1 wireless charger, just another useful product from Benks. Thanks to them for sending me this 2-in-1 charging stand. In this video we will talk about the key features of this charging stand, and at the end we will decide is it worth buying or not. Some key features are mentioned over the box. It has multiple charging mode. I will show you that in a couple of minute. 50-watt charging speed, and as we discussed, you can charge your earbuds and iPhone at the same time. So I think it's finally time to stop carrying two chargers at your room or office. So let's quickly unbox it and see what we have inside. And okay, as usual we have some paper on the top which nobody read, but we should read it. Anyway, the charger is completely protected inside the box. As I have seen, the Benks packaging are always nice and premium just to deliver the product safe and sound. Inside the box we have this Type-C to Type-C cable, which I believe it would be around 1 meter in size. And then here comes our 2-in-1 charging stand. It's too heavy, like it's beyond my expectation. Also feels so premium in hands. Basically this charger has two colors, black and white, and you can select any color while purchasing, but I think the black one looks super premium. The MagSafe is quite stable, as you can see that, and it's also adjustable in working scenario and watching movies. It would be very useful. Now let's talk about the quality of this charging stand. As you can see, it just can't be defined in words. I mean, just look at this finishing. It's so heavy and won't move easily from your table. The key features of this charging stand is obviously dual charging pad. Just like this, you can charge your AirPods and your iPhone at the same time from 0 to 100% just in 30 minutes. As I said, it supports multiple charging mode, and that's what I mean. It would be very useful for you while watching movies. The MagSafe magnet is also so strong, you can leave your iPhone without worrying about it. Just look at this, it's not even moving. At the bottom of this stand, you can see it has mini LED light, which is a kind of indicator. It will just turn on when you keep your iPhone or charging. So that's it. If you really want some efficient and 2-in-1 charger, then I'm sure you won't be able to find out the best than MagClap 2-in-1 wireless charger under $50 in 2023. You can order yours from the link which I will mention in the description right below. Also let me know your opinions in the comment section right below about this MagClap 2-in-1 charger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.